See if this is recording. Yeah, there's a light shining, guys, right in my eyes because I opened the window, so that's why I have to put my that's why I put my hand here just now, guys, to figure out if it's recording, just to see. Alright, guys, what I have on the table here, it's a DBX 3BX DS. Yes, guys. Alright, this is it. This is it, guys. Let's pour it on now. It's still on. So let me show you something real quick, guys. For some people who don't know how to hook this up. Input. This is the input wire. This is the output, guys. Input, output, input, output. Yes, guys. This comes from the source of input, whatever preamp, or whatever your input coming from, your mixer. Yes, this goes to this. Then out to your amplifier from here. Yes, guys. So that's basically it. Simple, straight and simple. All right. So, guys. All right. So the problem I have with this, guys, is let's switch from this button to this. Not only switch on this button to this. This is giving a short, guys. So you switch it here and you go back here. You hear that sound. So let me see if it will. You guys will hear it or not. Maybe not. The night is young, we go, it's strong together. All night till the morning. So when I do that, only one speaker playing, guys. So it's time for more. Let's get it on and we both know we're party pioneers. We don't bring the fire, but we the polar right. See? So that, guys, will go down. One speaker playing now. Gonna go back here, still one. Still one speaker playing, so switch me cleaning, guys. Two speaker just now. So yeah, guys, you're not gonna hear fully what here. Yeah, guys. So what we're doing today is that, guys, cleaning up those switches. Yes, guys, we're gonna clean those switch up. I didn't have to do that, but let's just do that. Let's just take out these brackets. Alright, let's see if I missed some screws. Oh no. Oh, you have a little glue and okay, that thing. I forgot this. Look at that. Oh man, guys, it's serious. Look at it. It's clean. Wow. Look at this thing, guys. Vintage, guys. Real vintage look. Well, vintage go way beyond this thing. I should have. Let me think about it, guys. Think about something here, guys. I'm thinking about something. Because I see here I have some little crap here. You just surely could use some upgrading, guys, with this capacitor. That's gonna be a lot of work. Wow, what do we have to clean this switch? I have to go all the way under this thing here. Hold on. No, I think I can. Okay, yeah, I understand, guys. This is really technical right here now with this. So this goes again. If I remember clearly, guys. Alright, let me see. And you're gonna use a post anyway, and the post switch here, it's let me do here. Na 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 na. don't remember if I would take any of these off here before. Honestly, guys, I reckon a bunch of these and I don't remember doing this part. Never. Never, 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 never. Okay. Yeah, so just as I imagined, yeah, these were solder too. Damn. This is what we're hoping. This is my cleaner that I use, guys. Yeah, made by WD-40. This one too. The guy just at the top is an opening, so you could just. What I'm doing, guys, I'm doing it like from post here to this. Cause when you press this one, that one comes out. You press that out, that goes in. So I'm doing that. Okay, that clean the switches, you know, guys. So yeah. And I know a lot of people's gonna have some stuff to say about what I'm doing there, but I don't care. That's my little way of doing stuff. Even though you're not gonna use these, nobody's gonna use these two up here, guys. Yeah, these tape, yeah, these one for tape, yeah. We don't really use them, but this one here too. Let's see, this one doesn't get much use, guys. Definitely not. Alright, I can put this down now for now. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that part again. Now I'm gonna brush off the top of this bone from the dust. Yeah, the guy said this was put down for a period of time. Alright, guys, so let's see now. It's not even dry yet, so let it dry for some time now. I mean, you guys gonna find something to drink. As I said, guys, this could really use some upgrading. The cap, you know, capacity of these two in the power supply right here. Oh yeah, definitely I will replace them. I would. You see this. Guys, look what these people do. They have the switch here, but the voltage. Hold on, let me see something. There's an opening at the bottom. They put this over it for some reason, and then you have says, see that guy right there. It says 100, 120 volts. But they cover it. They cover the face of the switch, and I don't think there's any opening in the thing for it. So you could open the amplifier. You could bridge it from this side, guys. Ha! For it to work with 220. Oh yeah. But I don't know why they black it out. Are they restricted for certain places or something like that? Oh man. I hate to see this. caps, even though they're not swollen or they look like they're in good condition, but you know, ah man. Alright guys, let me give it a test now. And we'll see from there what's what. If I'm gonna do anything further. But not plugged in. Um, what I did wrong. Oh, this. Alright guys, everything is good now. Got no difference. Nothing. Very good. Let's see if you guys is in focus. It's 1 minute here. And this is the impact recovery here. You guys can hear, but if you're watching live here, I don't know if you guys can see. You take off the impact. Put it on. Guys. But I don't like using these music to test it. I like to use some nice thing, man. Ah man, I can't find something. So these
Florida's abortion ban doesn't just worry me, terrifying.
Tonight is young, we go, it's strong till dawn. Oh, all night till the morning comes, we love it so. We go, it's strong for more. Let's get it on and rave all night long. We're party pioneers.
So I play this guys. So this here, this is source. So this one is in, and I use post, source and post. Yes guys. Yeah, that's what I use. And if I use pre, okay, pre, and then we're gonna try pre with it also. Yeah, pre-work, yeah. Put it on pre too guys, definitely. I know I really played on pre, but okay.
So come on, let's keep the fire. The night's not over, there's no return. We know it's all we need to know. Together we'll shine like stars in the sky.
Pre-work is same. volume now.
Things are going well, 'cause we are the party pioneers.
So we use post, guys. Post and source. And let me show you something around here, guys. You have this here, these two buttons. See? Transition level for low filter and high filter. So yeah, you could mess around with it. They are off now, but nah. Don't need no need for turning those up, guys. Don't no need. Unless you hook it up on the system or you don't like what you're hearing. But yes, guys. So yep, guys. So that's DBX 3BX DS, guys. So yeah, that's the little cleaning up, guys. Not even much. I didn't know it was gonna clean up that quick. Honestly, to tell you the truth, guys, I didn't know it was going to work. I thought I was gonna have to take it apart, like like right now already do some of them. But yeah, if I find another beat, non-copyright, as they say, non-copyrighted. So that, let's see. No, I don't know. What is this, guys? Let me stop. You think don't make no sense. They made it, they had the sound trashy and stuff like that, guys. Alright, guys, that's it for this video, guys. Just a cleaning up of this DBX 3BX, guys. Yes, guys. And we're good to go, guys. Everything is up and running. Alright, guys. So yeah, as I say, everything is cook and curry. So yeah, don't know. Time to make some money. Alright. So I'm gonna do it my way now, guys. Where I put on my type of music and turn it up. But yes, guys, but you won't be hearing that part, guys. Sorry about that. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys. And Cardi and Cardi, guys, is out for now. Alright, enough respect.